So let's take an example question. Suppose we have given a message bit as 10101010 and we have to rectify errors in this particular message by using cyclic redundancy check. So what we will do, we will add some redundant bits to this particular actual message so that we can get rid of these errors which are existing in this particular message. So redundant bits, how can we find? We will just use binary division method of exclusive OR to just rectify this message bit. And how can it be rectified? It will be rectified by dividing this plus redundant bits by division and consider this as dividend. Now in question we also have polynomial form. That is, question can be given in a polynomial form or in a binary form. So if the question is directly given in a binary form, then we will simply divide this dividend by divisor. And if in question binary form is not given, we will convert this polynomial form in binary form. How? See, this polynomial form is given as, we will first find coefficients of these x variables in equation. That is 1 into x to the power 4 plus 1 into x to the power 3 plus 1 into x to the power 2 plus 1 into x to the power 1 plus 1. Now this part doesn't exist in your equation. That is why it will be multiplied by 0. These coefficients powers are not available in question. So what we will get? 1, 0, 0 and 1. This will be your final divisor by which you will divide this dividend plus redundant bits to get rid of errors. So how it will be executed? Let's see. Your question divisor is this. Now your message bit is 1010 10 10 and 10 and we will add the redundant bits to this dividend so that we get out of errors. So how much redundant bits you will have to add, that is the question which is arising now. So number of redundant bits you will add in your dividend is the maximum power of polynomial equation. That is, maximum power of polynomial equation is 4. So we will add 4 number of zeros in your dividend to get errors actually. Add, send, and if we get a remainder, then there will be error, and at receiver's end it will further be divided. And if we don't get errors, we will not get any remainder in this question. So we will divide it by 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. And if in question direct binary division is given, then we will divide it by division number of digits in divisor minus 1. That is, number of digits in a divisor is given as 5. So we will divide it by 4. We will divide it by 4 zeros added to the dividend. Now we will start our binary division, and binary exclusive OR division method contains the properties in which similar digits have a combination 0 and different digits have a combination 1. So keep it in mind that similar digits have a combination 0 in binary exclusive OR and different digits have a combination of 1. So it will we will start dividing it 1 1 0 0 1. So what will get? Similar digits 0, different digits 1, different digits 1, similar digits 0 and similar digits 0. We always use leftmost part, and until and unless digits get all the digits gets resolved, we will add from the leftmost part. So what will add? 0. We will add 0 to it. And now 1 1 0 0 1. That is similar digits 0, similar digits 0, different digits, similar digits 0, similar digits 0, and different digits 1. So till this part we have divided it. Now we will add, first out this part will be cancelled out. So we will add 4 more digits to get this divisor out. 1 0 1 0. Now 1 1 0 0 1. Similar digits 0, similar digits 0, similar digits 0, different digits 1, different digits 1. Now we will add further zeros here, 3 zeros here, and this part will be cancelled out. 1 1 0 0 1. Now what we will get? Similar digits 0, similar digits 0, similar digits 0, similar digits 0, different digits 1, and this 0 will be carried out here. So we will get a remainder of 1 0. Now the foremost thing which we have to remember in this question is we have to take maximum count number of power in this remainder. So we will take 4 digits from here and send this actual message to the receiver side. Now the further process will be executed at receiver side. We have remainder 0 0 1 0. It means we have some errors in our message bit, and this will further be divided until and unless this message bit get rid of errors. So what's the further process? We will add this 0 0 1 0 instead of 4 zeros at receiver side. 0 0 1 0. So this division will be normally be executed as it is. From here we will get 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. That is 0 0 0 0 1 0, and it will be cancelled out. It will be cancelled out. So this process explains at receiver end when we add 0 0 1 0 to our dividend message bit, we will get cancelled out statement and we have no remainder. So this division check is going on and on until and unless we get no remainder at last, and if we have no remainder then it simply means that we have no error in our message bit. So this process nomenclature says cyclic redundancy check, that is cycle the original message bit until and unless we will get no errors in our message bit. Thanks a lot.